Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this red glitter and rhinestone placement for National Wear Red Day, which is this upcoming Friday, February 1st. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's Peel Off Base Coat, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Pink Shellac Soft White. I'm going to be applying that and curing in between each coat. Next, I'll be using the tacky layer to do some glitter placement using two different sizes of red. The large is Martha Stewart Garnet, and the small is Recollections Cherry. Both of those are from Michaels. I have a couple little lids with a few glitters placed out. And I'll be doing that on all except one nail, which is going to have some rhinestone accents. And I'll be adding the rhinestones after top coat. Next, I'm going to be applying the rhinestones. I again have two different sizes, a larger and a smaller. I'm going to apply the top coat, place the rhinestones, and top coat the other nails, and then cure. Depending on the glitter you use, you may or may not need a second layer of top coat. I am going to go ahead and add one and then cure a final time. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out, but I think I'm a little bit more pleased with the glitter. The idea was originally for the rhinestones to be a really blingy accent nail, but honestly, with the gel top coat, the glitter almost outshines them. I'd never used a gel top coat over a glitter placement before, and I was really pleasantly impressed with the depth that it gave to them. They really just turned out amazingly shiny. If you'd like to learn more about National Wear Red Day, there will be a link down in the information box. I think these would also be great for Valentine's Day. I'd love to hear down in the comments whether you prefer the glitter or the rhinestones. Either way, I hope you all enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.